freedom in. Calling Mars, wheel out the iceberg, shining in the light. White paint glowing like a glacier, ready for flight. Jan and Eric fire up Bruce, but the comms are acting wild, crackling static in their helmets. Chaos, but we smile. Freedom in. Yesterday's poolside laughter still clinging to our skin. Sunburned lines and beer-soaked jokes, the kind that never end. Floating in the water, dreaming of the ride. Now the dream is real again. We're heading out in stride. Camera lenses clicking, batteries fully charged, memory cards empty, ready to be enlarged. We pose beside the villa, helmets in our hands, friends united by the road, by the bikes, by the plans. Miles checks the mirrors, call, tightens up the strap. Jan taps Bruce's dashboard like he's giving it a pat. Eric laughs at the comms again, we'll fix it on the way. Ratch revs Betty gently, she's ready for the day. Sunlight on the handlebars, shadows on the ground. The villa fades behind us as the engines start to sound. Wake up, roll out, let the engines sing. Motorcycles waiting like they're ready for spring. Cameras rolling, hearts wide open. Roads ahead and the day unfolding. Wake up, ride out, let the adventure begin. Morning at the villa, let the freedom in. We ride for the stories we haven't lived yet, for the moments we'll remember and never forget, for the roads that twist like a song in the wind, for the laughter that starts where the journey begins. Wake up, roll out, let the engines sing. Motorcycles humming like a living, breathing thing. Cameras rolling, every frame spark. Adventure waiting even after dark. Wake up, ride out, feel the world rush in. Morning at the villa, let the freedom in. Wake up, ride out with your brothers and friends. A full day of riding and the joy never.
So Rach, you need fuel. Carl?
I'm good for fuel, but
Yeah. Eric?
no, full tank, mate.
Right, so it's just me. It's just the three that arrived late then.
Sorry, guys, I'll just be a minute.
All right, mate.
No
Take your
worries.
time.
I'm not desperate for fuel, but I'll put some in. if we've got a chase card, that is. Just so everyone knows, where the football goals are, under a slab, that's where we kept the keys.
Ah.
Okay.
Just in case anyone turns back or goes home early or anything, you never know, do you?
Where's the key? Where's the key, guy?
By the football goals under the slabs.
Okay.
There's broken slabs to the, if you look at the goals, just to the left by the corner of the pool.
No worries.
If there's a corner of an oval pool, that is.
Yeah.
It's underneath the decking that I would have built if
Yeah,
it
I
was
just
mine.
can't hear you. Look.
Can't hear me.
No, you're dead low. Everything else is perfect, but you're dead low.
Right. I think it's because you're close to each other. Me and Amy have that problem
I don't
sometimes.
know. I can hear both of
Oh,
you
yeah.
two just as clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear everyone else. Yeah, maybe it's that time. Maybe because it's close.
Yeah.
John hasn't got mesh, no.
Just lean backwards a bit, Jan. No, John's not on the mesh, mate. No.
Have you got the antennas lifted up or anything?
No.
I'd be worth a try.
That's why we stuck them in the middle last time, didn't we?
One of the well, there's is there 2 updates, a 4 and a 5 or something? We went back down and updated. That helped. Have you got somewhere to put the key, Amy, or so open the pannier?
What key?
Not key, the card. Good job it's not hot, innit?
Be even worse, mate, if you were sat on a machine that was just pumping heat out.
What I've done is turn my engine off. I'm quite
Yeah,
sad.
mine's off.
I'm quite
Right.
savvy at that.
Let's go. Okay.
Don't you think you better get on the bike first?
Oh no, my plan is to stay here at the pool.
Very misleading information, that. Right, let's go. We all go opposites like this.
I'm in my bikini. Let's go.
Are we all good?
Yep.
I'm good.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sound. Let's go then.
Stay on the right.
Throttle to the curb.
Ew. There's air going up my ankles.
Up your cankles.
Ooh. Oh, the little goat there at the gate. Oh, that was making all the noise this morning.
Well, that and the church, anyway.
Yeah.
Right, so we need the first available fuel station. Beautiful morning, peeps.
Looks like we got ourselves a convoy.
Convoy!
What?
Longer.
This is Rubber Duck calling Big Ben. Come in. Obviously, I'm Rubber Duck. You know.
Where are we heading again?
Mont Saint Michel.
Some castle.
Oh. He was on the right side of the road.
Or
Oh.
the correct side or the right side?
Correct.
Looks impressive, everyone together, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Hello.
This was the direction we did our beer running, guy.
The original one.
The original beer run, yeah. And the baby shop run.
Oh. I'm laying off the beer today. Let me out equalize.
So we're about to pass the little supermarket, which is on the left-hand side.
Oh, that's pretty close, isn't it?
Yeah.
Say it's just the equivalent of a Tesco Express, but it's on the left there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And that's the bus stop that the guy's competitor was in yesterday.
I'll smash his face in if I see him today.
But you don't.
I thought there was a fuel station around here.
It's further back. It's only a single pump on the side of the building. I don't know whether it's open.
Ah, right.
There's our pizza.
Yeah.
Goodbye, my
Yeah.
love.
Be quite funny if as you ride past and just pop my head up over it going, all right?
Well, like the other morning.
Going on the right. Anti-aircraft.
Yeah.
Like a bike, yeah.
Hey, it works. I've not seen any aeroplanes.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah,
think
wouldn't
it's
mind
like a
following
mos.
that.
What do you say, mate?
I got to say, we could have a go with them birds that have been flying over the villa. What were you going to say?
I was going to say, I don't think it's like a modern mosquito repellent. You just put it there and it works.
Oh, that cabin over there is just like random.
Just watch the tarmac strips on this roundabout. Eddie didn't like it yesterday.
Sun's already burning on the villa roof. Heat waves dancing like the living proof that today's the day we chase the coast. Kick the engines, raise a toast. Eddie's humming like he's ready to fly. Black Betty growls with a rebel's cry. Dolly shining in the morning glare. T-Paw's chrome flashing in the heavy air. Icebergs cool even in the rising heat. Bruce thunder steady with a heartbeat beat. We roll out laughing down the long driveway. 6 steel horses leading the way. We ride through the fire of July on a crazy hot day under a molten sky. Mont Saint Michel calling like a dream so real. Wheels spinning stories only bikers feel. We ride till the tide meets the hill and the abbey whisper secrets only silence can fill. Roads melt silver in the summer haze. Fields glow gold in the midday blaze. Sweat and freedom mix in the wind. Every mile of memory will lock within. Eddie leads the pack with a fearless grin. Black Betty's rumble shakes the world we're in. Dolly dances light on the sweeping bends. T-Paw sings high as the coastline bends. Iceberg glides cool like a northern breeze. Bruce rolls strong through the old oak trees. Mont Saint Michel rises from the sea. A stone-carved wonder calling you and me. Inside the abbey, shadows stretch long. History humming like an ancient song. We breathe it in slow, let the world go still. Stone walls holding stories only time can fill. A moment of quiet after miles of roar. Reflection settling on the dusty floor. Pilgrims, warriors, monks of old, their echoes warm. Even the day's fierce cold. We ride through the fire of July on a crazy hot day under a molten sky. Mont Saint Michel calling like a dream so real. Wheels spinning stories only bikers feel. We ride till the tide meets the hill and the abbey whisper secrets only silence can fill. Sun dropping low as we head back home. Engine softer now after miles we've roamed. Villa waiting with a shimmering pool. Cold beers lined up calling something cool. Eddie sighs as he rolls to a stop. Black Betty crackles with a final pop. Dolly rests easy in the fading light. T-Paw gleams gold in the coming night. Iceberg chills out like he's earned his name. Bruce stands proud after the day's long game. And
Down to the roundabout, right.
Right at the
We just-
roundabout.
Yeah,
We're
come
just
right.
coming up to the roundabout now.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, we see it now, parking.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see motorcycle parking.
And then when you come right off the roundabout, you should see us ahead of you, mate. I'm just shaking a bit of speed off so you can see us.
I think we're going straight on. But,
Motorcyclists.
There you go.
Yes.
Yeah, you got us.
I got you.
Straight on. And left. By the looks of it.
Yeah, it's right at the very top, mate, and then you can filter down.
Are we going in here then?
where's
Yeah,
the
you've got to
road?
swing round to
so,
the
yeah.
left and follow it down. Yeah, left.
Oh,
Oh, you take a ticket.
Yeah, just
Take a
take it
ticket.
easy.
You have to pay.
hold on a second.
Yeah, you have to
To
pay.
pay on your way out?
Must do, yeah. Yeah, he's paying there opposite, I think.
Well, I can't see.
You will pay on the way out. You just press a button, do you? You got to check
Yeah,
it.
he's paying with his card now, that lad.
Right. Oh, shit.
Down in the UK to get our ticket.
You've got a zip pocket on your jacket.
Yeah.
That's a crease thing.
Uh,
Will you go right down to the bottom, is it?
Easy.
Yeah,
Just
man.
turn around a sec. Turn around a sec.
Do.
Yeah, baby.
That looks pretty cool. You can see
Look,
it
it was,
I've got a castle in the background. A castle.
I'm going to go a bit further up here because is this where you walk out?
You go right down the bottom. We'll be going out the furthest point down the bottom.
If you got the
Yeah, the further
car-
down you
car
go, the
there.
less walking you do into the train.
Oh, that doesn't sound good, does it?
Oh, shit.
Okay, I want to be in neutral.
Oh, here we go.
Everyone good, yeah?
all good.
Everyone's doing the same thing. I think everything got it.
Eh?
I've got the card here if you.
Jump off where you park it, okay?
You'll be a top shot.
Huh?
Leave you on this.
Oh no, I moved me like John's tire looks soft on the back.
You
Come
jump
on,
off,
get
John. Yeah, you get off, love, and I'll park it.
Jump off.
Jump off, yeah.
Yeah, just park next to John. John's tire looks soft.
Stick it in.
Which one?
Green.
Oh, you alright, Jan? Whoa, you alright, Jan?
All right,
I'm alright, I'm fine.
come here. Come here. You all right? Oh, you banged your head.
Alright.
You banged your head.
Yeah, I'm fine.
John's down.
I'm fine, I'm alright, honest. Hang on, press. Hang on, look.
Oh.
Oh, hold on to me, love.
Okay.
Go. Okay.
Two things. She's a tough cookie. That's number one. Second thing, I got it on camera.
Yeah, just one.
So you go through.
No, you
parking,
take your
go
time,
on
mate. You take your time. No, I'm in no rush at all, mate.
Try not to crease that anymore.
What happened, Jan? Are you okay? I just slipped off the bike.
We had our own drama. We couldn't work the machine.
What, the little silver button
What's
that
your
you
back?
push?
You want me to go? What I say? Go ahead, yeah.
No, I said the little silver button that you've got to push. You couldn't work that.
Yeah, no, couldn't work it.
Yeah. That's too easy to do that.
Too easy.
Right.
I'm gonna probably go in that way
You
because
can
it's gonna go
reverse.
round.
Do you want me to get off? You can
Yeah,
reverse.
you can do it, Phil. Yeah. Don't bang your head when you get off, Amy.
No, I try not to.
Don't throw yourself on the floor.
There we go. Oh.
even show. Sweat on the leathers, heat on the chrome. Riding these roads like they're leading us home. France on fire, but the spirits stay high. Luxury villa waiting under that sky. We ride through the shimmering air. Back to the villa with the wind